So the most popular question I get during listing appointments is, what do I need to do to my house, or what does my house have to compete with all of the local comps that we're seeing in the area? And I'm gonna go over the 3 things that you need to have in your house to compete with the high comps, specifically in Bristol Township. Number 1 is additional square footage. These original Levittown houses are 1,200 square feet. So you need to convert the garage or the second story into dormer additions, like this house has behind me, to compete with these local comps. Number 2 is central air conditioning. Central air conditioning can be very expensive, especially since these homes were built with 2x4 walls, and you also have to remove that oil tank that's in the ground. Number 3, the house has to be recently updated. Not a full gut remodel within the last year or 2, but at least within the last 5 to 7 years, the bathrooms and the kitchen need to be updated. This house checks all those boxes, and the address is 71 Huckleberry Lane. Let's go inside for a full tour. So as you walk in the front door, off to my left, we have a full bathroom. Off to my right, we have 2 spacious bedrooms. Transitioning over here, we have a very big living room, and we have an open kitchen which flows into the dining room. This house was a full gut remodel in 2019, all new plumbing, electrical, to include a brand new kitchen, updated cabinets, granite countertops. We have a kitchen island over here that transitions between the kitchen over here to the dining room. And as I mentioned earlier, this used to be the garage. So this dining room is additional square footage. It was a full gut remodel. They added additional square footage, creating a dining room and an extra living room where the garage used to be, compared to those traditional 1950 Levittown houses. As you come up onto the second floor, we have a big bedroom off here to my left, full bathroom here on the front of the house. Transitioning over here to the 4th bedroom. As I mentioned earlier, this house had a dormer addition done to the second story. So we have pretty decent ceiling height, a little over 8-foot ceilings. And the dormer addition created a couple extra 100 square feet, allowing bigger bedrooms to include the full bathroom in the front of the house. So coming out of the back of the house, exiting the rear living room, we have a big backyard. And then off here, off of my right, we have a shed. Good thing about the shed is it's not on a concrete slab, so if you have to move it for the local inspections, we can. I appreciate you guys hanging in there. If you wouldn't mind, do me a favor, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, thank you.